How are you? I'm Nicholas with MABRU Power Systems, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the blower configuration on our line of self-contained units. So first thing you're going to find is in between the blower and the condensing coil, there's going to be a hose clamp. So first thing we're going to do is loosen this hose clamp over here. You can use a 5/16 nut driver, or you can just use a flathead screwdriver. I have an easier access with the flathead, so that's what I'll be using. Okay, so I have this loose, and then under where the hose clamp was, there's a Phillips screwdriver, a Phillips screw. So we're gonna remove this Phillips screw right here. And so you can set it in the configuration that you please. So this is going to be my lower limit, because then I'm going to start running into the pan. And then this right here will be my upper limit. So that's going to be the range of movement that we have. Once we have it set, you pick your location where you like it. You're just going to pick a location that's going to be very easy to access, and you can either just drill out a new hole. It's going to be this is going to be just under an 1/8 inch. Just drill a new pilot hole in the location where you'd like to have the set screw. Put the set screw in its location, and then tighten the hose clamp back up again. I'm just going to put it back in the configuration that it was, but this won't harm. There's nothing behind it to get damaged, so you can just drill it in, or if you want to try just putting it in with the drill, but seeing as that's metal, it's going to be a bit more difficult. It's going to take a little time to break through there, so it's always easier to pre-drill it with the drill bit. So here we have the set screw back in place. For this clamp, you're just going to be careful on the bottom. Underneath the blower, there's a bracket that's welded to the chassis. You just want to make sure that the clamp is grabbing onto that bracket there. And once you're sure of that, we're going to switch back to flat. And we're going to tighten this clamp right back down. No need to go too crazy on it, and that's how we're going to change the rotation of the blower. Thank you for watching.